Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking the registrar office hours and walk-in policy before you visit. Call or use the office website to confirm holiday closures and peak times. Identify the exact document name you need, such as birth certificate or degree transcript. Gather 2 valid ID and bring a clear photocopy if you have one. Confirm the fee amount and acceptable payment methods, for example, zero cash or card. Note any special form numbers like Form 1099 equivalents, if applicable. Prepare contact details and a return address for mailed copies. When you arrive, join the designated queue and take a numbered ticket if provided. Ask reception for the specific request form and complete it legibly with all required fields. Present 2 ID and the photocopy to the clerk and sign the form when requested. Pay the printed fee at the counter and keep the receipt for tracking and pickup. Ask for the expected processing time, which can range from same day to 14 days in complex cases. Confirm whether you will pick up or receive the copy by mail. When your document is ready, return with your receipt and a matching ID to pick up. Verify every detail on the copy right away, including names, dates, and signatures. If you need a legal copy, request a notarized or certified version at the counter before leaving. Keep the official receipt and note the certification number for future reference and verification. Make a high-resolution scanned copy or photo for your digital records and back it up to secure cloud or external storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.